Lighten the screen and press hash to enter administrator authentication. Enter the administrator password and hash to enter the system. Press to system setting. Press 3 wireless device. Press 1 wireless on. Enter the app, click plus to enter the add device page. Select camera lock, lock Wi-Fi. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Click confirm. The indicator is blinking rapidly at EC mode. Waiting for connection. When the doorbell is pressed, app will receive the remote unlocking message. Click to confirm. You can check alarm on your phone. You can manage users on your phone. You can check records on your phone. You can set a temporary password on your phone.